Hello.
What brings you in today?
My chest feels heavy and it hurts.
Can you describe the pain? Is it like sharp or is it stabbing?
It's a tight squeezing pain, as if my heart is being squeezed.
Some of the things that Alex can do is he can cough, he can clear his throat. He's having horrible chest pain. He's fine now, he's laughing. Alex, we're listening to your heart right now.
Okay, that's fine with me.
His right pupil has a camera.
Alex, what's the meaning of life?
I don't have the answer to your general existential question, but the meaning of my life is to help you become the best healthcare provider you can be.